Why should you trust me? Well, I know I'm not perfect. I'll never be perfect. But one thing I do is that I try to improve on everything I do. Even if it's just a little bit, I try and improve upon myself the day before. I have committed to a frequency upgrade, and I want to share that energy with you. I know when I was competing in kickboxing and Thai boxing, that the thing that really motivated me was not just the competition itself, but what really motivated me was reaching those sorts of glass ceilings, those limitations, those boundaries we place upon ourselves, and feeling then that I had broken through and I had felt more confidence in my ability and what I was able to do. And that was because I was mainly trying to be better than the day before. And that for me has been something that I've taken with me every day. And I think, and I know, and I can tell you with confidence, it'll make you feel so much better in yourself. So I'm asking you to make a commitment. I want you to become disciplined, dedicated and determined in improving yourself on a daily basis, even if it's just a little bit. The size, the quantity doesn't matter, but the quality does. That small little improvement can have massive impact on